Hi everyone, my name is Tatiana and I'm with the Education Department, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a nature weaving craft using materials that you might find on a walk outside. For the first design I'm going to make, you're going to need some scissors, yarn or string, and plant material about 5 inches in length. Start with 2 sticks and move them into an X formation. Pick an arm from the X to start with and wrap your yarn around it about 20 times. Wrap another 20 times in the opposite direction to secure your X shape. You want your string to hold just tight enough so that the shape doesn't move as you start weaving. To begin, you will wrap your yarn over and around each stick in a counterclockwise order. Pulling your string from the back, bring the string up and cross it over one stick, and then wrap it around that same stick. Then bring your string over to the left, wrapping the yarn around again, and then going towards your left. When you are just about finished, leave about a ½ inch of string to tie your knot. Make a small loop and place your stick through it. Using the remainder of the string, pull it through the loop and give it a quick tug. Now you've completed your first design. This next design is good to use if you found a branch with V-shaped branchlets. You will also need string and any plant material you find on a walk outside. Embrace the shape of your unique branch and tie your yarn across the V shape. You can do lines straight across or a zigzag pattern as demonstrated here. To finish up, you can tie your string in a manner similar to the previous design, where you make a loop with the string, tie it through, and give it a good tug. Now you can use your plant material by adding flowers, leaves, or blades of grass to your string. When you have a design you like, you can set this on a table as a cool centerpiece or hang it up on your wall.